Rolls-Royce has long been known for its attention to detail. And with a portfolio of vehicles with an average price tag that's well into the six figures, that's pretty much required. But in its latest reveal, the automaker shares a new development that's a bit over the top, even for Rolls-Royce. The company has presented a new paint that redefines exclusivity, a formula developed for a single vehicle. Rolls-Royce said in a recent press release that it has undertaken a bespoke commission for a buyer it refers to only as a significant client from the United States. The vehicle will take the form of the Spectre, an ultra-luxury electric supercoupe, but in this case it will be coated with a holographic paint finish called Lunaflare. The company says the finish was inspired by a lunar halo, where light refracts through ice particles in cirrus clouds like a prism, creating a colorful visual light circle around the moon. Likewise, they say their latest paint brings a captivating rainbow effect. The paint finish was the result of more than a year's worth of experimentation, where developers tinkered with various chemistries and layering before settling on a final approach. This process includes an application of 7 layers, including a specially formulated pearlescent coat infused with fine flakes of magnesium, fluoride, and aluminum. Rolls-Royce says the resulting metallic effect in low light serves as a contrast to the rainbow Technicolor visual in the bright sunlight. Rolls-Royce also carried the lunar halo theme throughout the vehicle, utilizing a unique spectrum of colors in the interior doors and seats. And while the time and effort that went into this bespoke project are certainly admirable, it's unlikely that you'll ever get to lay eyes on it in real life. The automaker says only one Spectre Lunaflare will ever be produced, and that its Lunaflare paint finish is reserved exclusively for the commissioning patron, who, at least at this time, remains unnamed. I'm Anna Wells, and this is Manufacturing Now.